when they get their first chickens, they use those cheap waters that you get at Tractor Supply. And they work great to start out with, but eventually you realize that they're not big enough and they end up getting dirty and you got to clean them out and fill them at least once a day, if not two, in the summer months. So what I did is I got on Amazon and I picked up some stuff, and let's open it up and take a look at it. So the first one I got is the cup waters. It has a little knob on the inside to where the chicken will push it down and allow the water to come out into the cup. The second one I got is what's known as the nipple waters. Another simple concept. It has a little metal valve in there that the chicken pushes on and the water comes out so the chickens can drink as they push on the nipple. I'm gonna try them both and see which ones the chickens like better. So we'll start by drilling some holes in the bucket and then screwing them in and see how it looks. The directions to say to use a 9.5 millimeter drill bit. I don't have that, so the closest is a 3/8. I'm gonna go roughly an inch up from the bottom. Actually, you can do 1.25 inches just to be a little bit on the safe side. If I can get a pen that'll work. Here we go, got a pen. So 1.25 inches up, and I'm gonna throw probably 3 of each in here. 3 of the cups and 3 of the nipples. So we're gonna drill one just to make sure that it's gonna work before we drill all of them. Pretty clean hole. If it's not, you can scrape it off with a knife a little bit to smooth it out, because there is a rubber gasket that will seal it in there. They both do come with a wing nut type screw that goes on the back. So we're gonna slide this in here and simply tighten it from the inside. I don't imagine you have to have this super tight, just enough to seal it so that it doesn't get any leaking, and it'll be about like that. So I'll go ahead and drill the rest of these out, and I'm gonna do every other. I'm gonna do a cup style, then a nipple style. And I might actually spread these out a little bit more, just so that they have enough room to get into each one of them. So the nipple style works the same way. Put the O-ring on first, slide it into the hole, a little bit tight, so we're gonna thread it in. If it'll go, there we go. I'll throw the wing nut on from the back side. All right, I'll go throw 2 more of them in, and I'm only gonna do 2 of each because we're gonna run out of bucket space. Since this will be sitting up against the chicken run, you can't really get to the back side of it. These do come in packs of, I think it was 10 of each. They're really cheap. I'll leave a link in the description if you wanna pick some up. If I have any issues with some leaking or whatever, then I will just replace it, put it in a different one. Let's go throw some water in it, see how it works. So as you can see, I threw about a couple inches of water in it. And this is actually the first time I'm doing it, so the chickens will hit this little thing here. I don't know if you can tell, but it'll fill up the cup. And the same thing with little nipple waters here. You'll press that in. Maybe it needs more water than that. I'm barely covering them. Obviously, when you get more water in there, it will fill up faster. Let's fill it up all the way and take it to the chicken coop. So here's what I had before, and you can see how dirty it gets. And it's only maybe a gallon. It just gets dirty. They're kicking stuff in it. So this is what we got now. And this is a full bucket. So we'll press down on it, and it does fill up a little bit faster. And here's the nipples. Yep, water comes out of it, so they should push that in and drink out of it. I do got a lid on it. I don't have the lid sealed all the way. That way it doesn't create a vacuum. So it's got a gap. So we're gonna get rid of that little thing. And maybe the girls will be a little happier. They're out playing around right now.
If you would, I ask that you subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second, and it's the easiest way to support the channel and helps us grow. Thank you.
So it's been a few days. I think it's been about a week. Friday. A couple days ago, I made the realization that neither one of those chicken waters were quite working out for me very well. So I ordered a cup style, and I'll show you here in a second. The nipple style they weren't really using, and the other one they were drinking out of. But the problem with that is I wasn't for sure that they were going to be pressing on that little button to fill the cup up, so I didn't know exactly how much water they were getting. I'll show you what I got here. So these ones are a little bit different. These ones work with the weight of the water, which will shut it off. So when it's empty, it allows the cup go up and then lets water come in, and then the weight of the water pushes the cup down and shuts the valve off. And instantly they have been drinking tons more water. So I think that's the ticket, and I'll leave a link in the description for all 3 of them. If you guys want to pick all 3 of them up and see which ones work best for you. These ones work the best for me. The chickens seem to like it a lot better than the other ones. So I will leave a link in the description to all three of them, but I think this one is going to work out the best for us. I'm not exactly sure how we're going to do it in the winter. So if you got any suggestions, leave it down in the comments.